Hello everyone! We are excited to introduce a much-requested feature on Bookz Pro, the ability to remove products directly from packing. Whether you have excess inventory or simply want to exclude certain items from a shipment, this can now be done right within the platform. The process is very simple. Just leave the unwanted items in the unpacked section, and they will automatically be excluded from the box. Before we get started, there are two key limitations to keep in mind. First, you can remove up to 15 units total per session. Second, the maximum number of units you can remove per SKU is 5. For today's walkthrough, we will be removing these 3 books from our shipment. We simply leave them in the unpacked section and hit Finish Packing. A confirmation prompt will appear. We go ahead and click Continue. From here, the workflow is exactly the same as before. We enter our box dimensions and wrap up the session as usual. Once we reach the placement options screen, you will notice that a slightly higher placement fee and shipping fee are listed. Do not worry about these numbers. These fees will automatically adjust on Amazon's end once the shipment is finalized. This updated total will not be reflected in Bookz Pro, but you can always confirm it directly on Amazon. Let us go ahead and do exactly that. Now let us head over to Amazon to verify the changes. Our original shipment had 33 units. It now shows 30, which confirms the 3 removals. The placement fee was $10.91 in Bookz Pro, but now reads $9.89 on Amazon. The shipping fee dropped from $22.86 to $15.08. That brings the actual total down to $24.97 compared to the $33.77 originally displayed. Let us also confirm that the specific products were removed. One of them was Food 52. Feel free to rewind to the beginning of the video to verify. As you can see, it is no longer in the list. The second item was Men Are From Mars. We search for it and nothing comes up. Both successfully removed. Going forward, you will no longer need to go through Amazon to handle product removals. Everything can be managed directly within Bookz Pro. We hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.